Chinese authorities are partially locking down 3 cities that are home to more than 18 million people. It's an attempt to contain the deadly new coronavirus that has sickened hundreds and spread to other countries. The focus of the lockdown is public transportation. The first case of coronavirus in the U.S. was announced on Tuesday. KIMT News 3's Jessica Bringy joins us live from Mayo Clinic in Rochester with how doctors are helping stop the spread. Jessica?
Amy, right now, the CDC is closely monitoring any developments with this new coronavirus. Meanwhile, here at Mayo Clinic, doctors are closely monitoring patients for any sign of illness that could point to that virus. While the spread of the coronavirus in China may seem a long way off from Rochester, Minnesota, it still hits home for mother of 2, Carissa Smith.
You know, you think about it when you go places, is it really worth the risk of them getting sick or taking that chance of getting out of the house? So yes, definitely something I do think about.
Mayo Clinic says there's still a lot to learn about this new coronavirus, but so far research shows it spreads person to person and can cause some pretty serious infections.
Its likelihood of causing a worldwide pandemic is relatively low. But we've already seen several deaths related to it and multiple infections.
Right now, health officials are working to contain the virus that appears to have originated in Wuhan, China.
In the United States, we're looking at ports of entry, so airports where there's flights coming from Wuhan. And people from the U.S. government are there to help screen people.
Locally, Mayo Clinic says it sees patients from all over the world, including China. So doctors are taking precautions by making sure to screen patients.
And if we have a patient who we suspect of having this novel coronavirus, we would anticipate putting that patient in our high consequence infectious disease unit and activating our core team to help take care of this.
Now, if you've traveled recently and noticed symptoms like a runny nose, headache, sore throat, or a fever, you should contact your healthcare provider. Live in Rochester, Jessica Bringy, KIMT News 3.
Thank you, Jessica. Health officials say more than 640 people have been sickened by the coronavirus. Most of those are cases in China. A man in Washington state is the first confirmed case of the infectious virus on U.S. soil. George?